Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to do the first of a couple video series on refinishing this guitar neck. We're going to blacken the fretboard. So I've got this neck with a maple fretboard. I'm going to blacken the entire thing. I'm going to put a new finish on it. That's the plan, because I need it to be black to go with this guitar. So yeah, I think that's going to look pretty cool. First up, I chose a neck like this with the maple fretboard instead of rosewood or something like that because I want it to all look pretty uniform. And also this one's got the black fret markers. I don't particularly want fret markers, but I don't feel like taking them out. So I'm going to black out the whole thing. That is the plan. In this video, we're going to do the fretboard, and in the next one, we're going to put a finish on the back of the neck and black it out as well. I've already done some testing and I've seen that there's a sealer on there. So we're going to do something to get around that. The product I'm going to be using for this one, you have seen me use before many times probably. It's my favorite dye. It's the NGR Solar Black Jet Black dye by Bellin. It does come in several different colors, so if you want to do this in like blue or something, go for it. Black is obviously what I'm going to use for this. If you want to have a crack at picking up this product, I'll put an affiliate link in the description, so feel free to pick some up. I use it probably more than I should. I use it all the time. To apply this, we're just going to be using some shop towels. It's very easy to apply, so there's no need to get into any kind of specialty stuff. It really doesn't get much more simple than this. And for this, I highly recommend you wear gloves. I'm going to for a change. I usually forget, and then Monday rolls around and I'm in a suit and I got to explain why there are black stains all over my hands, and it's actually kind of hard to explain. So wear a glove, especially on the hand that you are handling the dye with. It will save you. There's really not much to explain here. I'm literally just gonna dye the fretboard. Come on, let's do it. All right guys, so that's it. That's really all there is to it. I just wiped that on and then I set the camera back up over here and it's already dry. So it's only been a few seconds really. That stuff's, it dries really fast. It's pretty awesome. So there we go. I think we got a pretty cool darkened finish. I think that's gonna go well with the guitar. I'm obviously gonna put something on here to protect it later, but for now, you don't have to worry about the frets or anything like that. If you're just using a dye, it really doesn't make any difference. It doesn't stick to them because they're metal. So stay tuned. In the next video, we are going to do the rest of this. We're going to do something a little bit different for that, and I think it's going to be really interesting, so stick around. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to drop a comment below and let me know if you prefer the black or the lighter color that it was before for this guitar that I'm working on. And if you like the video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Thanks again. Catch you later.